Hello everyone! Welcome to another video from the Thai Club channel. In today's video, I will provide you with the supplier, where you can buy shirts like this one, 100% legitimate Thai shirts. Look at the quality of this product. So editor, roll the intro, because today I'm going to teach everyone how to make a lot of money with football shirts. First of all, my name is Gustavo. Welcome to the Thai Club channel. Today I will explain a little more to you about the opportunity that is knocking at your door. That's right, the opportunity to make a lot of money with the sport of football, selling authentic Thai team shirts like this one here. In other words, now all the seasons around the world have started. La Liga, Bundesliga, Premier League, and Portuguese League have all begun. In other words, all these leagues are starting. This means that all the teams are launching new shirts. Like Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, Barcelona, Arsenal, Manchester City, all these clubs have released new shirts. 2 or 3 types of new shirts for you to sell. This means that there are many people looking for shirts and few people selling them. That's where you come in. You will be the person who connects these 2 points. Why? There are few people who sell, meaning they are stores. Big stores like Puma, Nike, Adidas, and these stores, they sell very expensively. They sell a new release shirt for around 90 euros. And on the other hand, there are many people selling here, but not all of them cross this bridge here. And you will be in the middle because you will be able to buy shirts like this one for 10 euros, meaning from 90 to 10 euros, you have a margin of 80 euros to work with. You can easily sell these shirts for 30 to 45 euros, making a profit of 25 euros per shirt. In other words, selling 10 shirts a month already puts 250 euros in your pocket. Selling 20 shirts a month already puts 500 euros of profit in your pocket. This is a great source of income. And to prove to you that the shirt is exceptional and has no defects, I will now show the video of the new Bayern Munich shirt, showing you all the details, proving that the Thai shirt has no defects. If you already want the supplier even before watching the video, the supplier will be in the video description. Get in touch with them. But if you want to know more about the supplier, stay tuned as the video will play and I will explain everything about this supplier. So, editor, roll the video for everyone. Now, as you saw in the video that just played, the Thai shirt has no defects and follows all the standards of the original shirt. The only standard it doesn't follow is the price issue, because, as I already told you, the price is totally different from one shirt to another. But let's talk a little more about the supplier. The supplier can be contacted via WhatsApp and by reaching out to him through the link. In the description, you will have access to all the price lists. You can also customize your shirt with the name and number, whether it's the chosen player, your client, or even one they desire. Why your client, Gustavo? Because you can work with the drop shipping model, which is to send directly from the supplier to your customer's home without needing to pass through your hands first. This happens because this product is already tested and validated. It is already a product with exceptional quality, and you will not have any problems reselling these shirts in this way. There, he also offers retro shirts. One example is Neymar's shirt from Santos. Another example is Cristiano Ronaldo's shirt from Sporting. And there are many models of retro shirts for you to better serve your customers. There, he also provides you with a group where every day he sends photos and videos of the shirts. For those of you who are not yet 100% confident, you can look there and clear all your doubts about the quality of the shirt. In other words, you can also make these videos available to your customers to show them the quality of the shirts, which are 100% legitimate and have no difference from the original. The opportunity is here, knocking at your door. If you want to make money, if you want to start your first business, the business of the moment is football shirts, because everyone is talking about it, and women, children, men, all ages, buy and like this type of sport, as football is the most famous product in the world. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this brief video. I hope you liked this content. And I hope you also take advantage of this opportunity. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave your like and comment the word supplier below to show people that you are indeed going to Take advantage of this opportunity and put a lot of money in your pocket. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.